Are you ready? Oh, she's like, what color is that? That looks exciting.
What is that?
That is most
Yummy!
definitely not cereal.
What is that?
Is that good stuff? I thought the color was weird. Is that good stuff? What do you think about it?
Yummy.
Oh, yum, 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 yum,
Good.
yum. It doesn't get any better.
Is that good?
I keep getting this look on my face. What do you think? I'll let the shock wear off with the second. Yeah? Yeah, let the shock wear off? Just a little bit?
Maggie Lynn.
And some more? Yeah. That's green. Don't worry, you'll get used to it.
You got 2 more days of it.
Why are you slouching so much? Are you trying to get away from dinner?
What you got?
I'm still trying to